Hey guys, what is up? Patrick here in Alpha Pack Garage. Once again, working on another bike. So today, what I have going on is some new ball joints for this Honda 500 I'm working on. And I figured I would do a how-to on installing a ball joint. I'm just gonna do one so that this can be short and sweet and kind of give you a little instruction on what you need to do. So the ball joints that I use for all my jobs are from American Star Racing. They're, what are they, 4130 chromoly. They're a lot tougher, more grease in them. They seem to be just all around better ball joint than OEM or any of the cheaper brands. I'm not saying they're expensive at all. But the joint that you'll need for the Honda 500, here's the part number right here. A-1015BJ-CM. You need 4 of those to do the whole bike, uppers and lower A-arms. So the tools you'll need some sockets, 1 3/8. You'll need also an 1 5/16 socket and a 7/8 socket. These are the big sockets. So you can stick the new ball joint just real quick to compare them. So these are the two different joints. So here's the old worn out joint, and here's the brand new American Star Racing joint. They're definitely a little bit thicker, bigger, it seems. And I have them in my Can-Am Outlander 1000. I've used them on my cousin's Honda Rincon 650. Other Foremans that I've done, and Yamaha also, my Big Bear 400 have them. Every joint I get is from them. I found a joint I like. I've never had any problems with them. The boots are thicker. They don't pinch as easy as these flimsier, thinner ones on these old joints that, I don't know who put those in there, but so, anywho, that's what we're going to install today on this upper A-arm for this Honda. And what you'll need to do, you'll need a maul, your sockets, pliers, and what you're going to do is take your new joint, stick it right in the 1 3/8 socket. And I'm going to use a vise today. I have a press, but I'm just going to use the vise. Make sure you put these in the correct direction, because you don't want to put it back on the bike and see that the ball joint is incorrect and then have to remove it again. So what we'll do to make sure it's centered, I'm going to take it here in this vise and I'm going to clamp down on it, make sure it gets centered. So let's put it in the vise. There it is. All right, let's squeeze it down and bottom it out. It's almost there. There it goes. Boom. Take it back out. So now it's flush there. Everything is going in like it should. All right, then you can take your maul. This one fits perfectly over the top. So I'm gonna beat it down till it protrudes up. Okay, then you take your, what is this, 1 5/16 socket, and you put it over the top of it. Start beating down on it. Make sure it stays centered. One hit at a time. Almost there. I think we got it. One more for good measure, right? Couple more. Might as well, right? All right. There we go. I believe, yep, now since we're gonna go ahead and tap it a couple more times. Only hit the A-arm, please. Don't hit your ball joint, because then you won't be able to get your clip back. Let's see. Then you can take newly installed joint and your A-arm and lock it down in your vise. So you have some free hands. Don't put it around that lip. Boom. Alright. They give you a new C-clip, new nut, castle nut, and cotter pin in every pack. So these have a curved edge and a flat edge side. Man, I got a little cold, sorry. Keep sniffling. All right, so you take your pliers, put them in your clip. I always make sure I put my ends to the outside in case you ever have, whenever you gotta go remove them. Just after a while, sometimes they get kind of rusted up in there. All right. Let go. Make sure you clip. Boom! Tap it. Make sure it'll go back and forth a little bit. Yep. That makes sure that it is completely seated and in where it needs to go. And like I said, the curve side goes up. And I believe I might have. No, I got it right. I always like to double check all my work. There we go. Boom. Your new one's in. Take it back out of the vise and double check everything. Make sure it's seated. It's all good. And then I always just take my castle nut, my cotter pin, so it don't go nowhere, and I have them when I go to install a bike. Boom. So there's your brand new American Star Racing joint installed into your upper A-arm. You'll do the exact same thing for the lowers and the other side. It's just that simple. It took me what? Not even 5 minutes to do. I don't know. I enjoy working on all this, so you know, it's what I do every day. Thank you to American Star Racing for providing us a really good ball joint that I like to use on all my builds. I am not sponsored by them. I am in no way affiliated with them whatsoever. Anytime I need parts from them, though, I do give them a call, and they're great to deal with. They'll help you find anything you need. They also make Heim joints, tie rod ends, heavy duty. I mean, I know I bought my heavy duty tie rods for my Can-Am Outlander from them. I think they were like $80 for the whole kit. I mean, you kind of can't beat it for the quality and the price of their products. So thank you again to them for, you know, providing us off-roaders with good quality parts to put on our machines, because I hate downtime. That is one thing I cannot stand. So I haven't yet broken one of these, worn one out, and they have an awesome warranty as well. Every part that you buy from them, they send you a little card. And you go on their website and you can register your part onto their website, and if anything goes wrong with your part, it's on their web, you know, it's registered to them and you, and they'll replace it. Basically, no questions asked. From what I understand, I have, like I said, I had my tie rods. I had something up with that, and they sent me brand new ends for my ball joints. I mean, for my tie rods, and I think they overnighted them. I mean, they were there in less than 2 days or 2 days. So great shipping, fastest shipping from any company I've ever used. That's another reason why I enjoy using them. Great group of guys over there. So, all right, we're done with that. Thank you again for for watching. Please hit that subscribe and like button, and hit that bell for notifications on any new videos that I post, which I should be doing some more soon. A lot to come on this this Honda build that I'm doing. Also, just throw that out there, race driven. Great brakes, best brakes ever. They last forever compared to any OEM. And this is all the bushings and all for the A-arms. I get that from them. So that's also great company. Company I use for all my brake pads and whatnot that they make. So for me here over at the Alpha Pack Garage, thank you again for watching, and I'll see you next time.